Want to learn how to use audio from another user's reel on Instagram? You can even use any reel audio on Instagram. So if you like a video of Instagram reels and want to use one of the song, it's easy to do so. To use the same audio, all you need to know are the steps. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use audio from another user reels on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your device. Tap on the Reels item located at the bottom bar of your page. Play the reel you want to add audio of. Press the audio name of the reel at the bottom left corner. Insta will now redirect to audio page. Tap on Use Audio. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to use audio from another user's reel on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.